Let us review some key terms on cell structure and function. Hypotonic describes a solution in which extracellular fluid has lower osmolarity than the fluid inside the cell. Isotonic describes a solution in which the extracellular fluid has the same osmolarity as the fluid inside the cell. Lysosome, an organelle in an animal cell that functions as a cell's digestive component. It breaks down proteins, polysaccharides, lipids, nucleic acids, and even worn-out organelles. Microscope, the instrument that magnifies an object.
All right, let's get back to reading.
Now on to mitochondria.